Hello and welcome to the Z Gadget review. We have another unboxing right now. It's going to be that Zhiyun. How do you say that? Anyway, it's a Smooth 4. Um, it's a phone camera gimbal. Gimbal, gimbal. I think I'm saying it right. Uh, let's see. So yeah, it's a three-axis smartphone stabilizer they call it, but technically you can also call it a gimbal. So it tells you what comes in the box and what I guess they have white and black. I think this is black. And then some of the features or the things that you can do with this. Let's see. Get a little close there. So I don't know if you can read that. Wow, there we go. Pretty interesting features. Let's go ahead and open this thing to see what it looks like. I am actually very excited to um, have this. Is something that I've actually been wanting to get for a while, especially because I'm going to be planning on making more videos, and like I'm working on the review of the Galaxy Watch, and I would like to actually be able to run and hold the camera at the same time, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to do that with this. Open. I guess I'm just gonna cut it. Having some issues here. All right, so we have this. Let's see, it looks like the usual documentation that comes with these things. So it has a quick start guide. Notice of undercompatibility issue. Ooh, that it's a problem. I'm gonna read it in a minute. Quick guide, start guide, operation. So there's an issue with compatibility with Android. So it says the filming performance on Smooth 4 is essentially related to the mobile phone, and the realization of its functions varies with the mobile phone used. With the current limitations for Android phones, Android users have not yet accessed 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 I don't think that's right. Access to all the features of ZY Play. At present, Zhiyun is negotiating with Android phone manufacturers to realize the various functions as soon and fully as possible. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. Thank you for your understanding and support. So, there's some words here that are kind of weird, but who am I to judge? I have an accent too. All right, so let's go back to opening this package. So it's right there, Zhiyun, and because it's everything hard to open on this. All right, here we go. Oh, so we have a cable, USB cable. It's a USB-C cable, huh? Look at that. Ain't that cool? USB-C cable. Okay, now we have a tripod. Now this is like grippy. It's plastic, and it opens like a star, I will say. It's like I don't know. It reminds me of Dr. Ogg, Dr. Ogg's, what's the Dr. Ogg or octopus from Spider-Man. It's little tentacles that go. Okay, it's enough of that. And then we here have the gimbal. If I can take it out, that is. Wow, damn, everything's really tight in there. All right, so your phone goes here, and then you control it here. don't know exactly how this works because, as you can see, I just opened it while I was talking to you. But there's a really different controllers. This is a wheel. Feels really clicky and nice. The buttons, display, menu, little wheel that moves. I'm assuming it's a flash or light, and also it's clicky. So maybe when you move around with this on the menu, you'll select this target. I don't know. I'm assuming to record and play, and then camera mode. This, I don't know, power button, and there's like a little trigger here. It has it's raised so you can feel it. So when you're holding it like this, you can feel the buttons in the back. All right, well, I'm going to be doing a full review on this. Before I do that, let me show you how this goes. So this connects right here. Then you have a full standing tripod that you can use to put your phone and do what you need to do. All right, and there you have it, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. Sorry if I'm not saying the name of the company correctly. Maybe I'll get it right when I do that review. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. I have a lot more coming for you. Also hit that bell to be alerted to new videos. Thank you.